So there is no official way to log out YouTube without logging out of Gmail account. But in this video, I'm going to share 2 easy methods to use YouTube without your Gmail account. First, open the YouTube app. Click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now click on Turn on Incognito. This will open the new YouTube window without your Gmail account. You can also turn off incognito mode by clicking on this option and then clicking on Turn off Incognito. Now for the second method, open the YouTube app. Click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Click on the Switch account and then click on Manage Accounts. This will redirect you to the accounts in the settings. Here click on Google. Now click on More and then click on Remove Account. This will remove your selected Google account from your device. Keep in mind that this method will also remove all the Google services linked to this Gmail account on your device, like Google Play Store. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.